Find or read reviews that people are talking about LG S20A 2.0 channel soundbar, Dolby Digital, TV Synergy, WOW interface, DTS Digital Surround, new 2025 model. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Small in size, big on bass. Upgrade your TV sound with an all-in-one soundbar featuring enhanced LG TV connectivity. Step up your TV sound with a passive radiator that delivers rich bass with everything you watch and listen to. It's in the details. Experience an unparalleled immersive journey with Dolby Audio. This LG soundbar delivers an upgraded listening experience for your favorite entertainment. Never miss a single detail, no matter what you're watching. WOW interface. Now, convenience is in your hand. Control your LG soundbar and LG TV with one remote. Adjust the volume and audio settings, check the connection status and even select a sound mode on the screen, all from the TV remote. AI Sound Pro. AI adjusts your EQ in real time so you hear clear vocals in shows, bass in live music, and dynamic sound in live sports and action scenes. LG ThinQ app. Customize the 3-band equalizer settings of your soundbar in a few simple steps by using the LG ThinQ app. Tap to set bass, treble, and mid-range, for loudness, frequencies just the way you want, right from your smart device. One cord for richer sound. Connect your LG TV and LG soundbar with just one cable with HDMI ARC. Eliminate messy cables and quickly enhance the sound of your entertainment with Dolby Audio. Raising the bar. The S20A features LG's new crest design that gives the soundbar a sleek and stylish look. But looks are just the beginning. The metal grille also helps keep dust and debris out of your soundbar for worry-free audio enjoyment. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.